I think that there's many bottlenecks, of course, in startups. There's many fronts we're working on. But I think the first one and the main one is, of course, the tech, from my perspective. There still needs to be research to arrive at the same price and performance as the synthetics to be able to wipe them out. At the start of a company, for investors at least, I would say that it's much more attractive to go the licensing route because it's less capital intensive. And so I would say that angels, pre-seed investors are much more willing to invest when the story is all built around licensing. But unfortunately, later down the line, bigger investors will really want to have manufacturing owned by the company itself. And that's just because a company that does licensing can probably only be sold at 50 million to 500 million, while a company that does manufacturing can probably be sold for a couple of billions. IP is always a risky business. There's people trying to IP everything around you. I think it's all about having essentially novel pathways that not many people have done or not talked about before. We have 5. We're going to patent one of them, just to give confidence, actually, funnily enough, to the investors that we have a patent in place. But the reality is that we're going to patent the majority later down the line. And it's simple. If you patent right now, well, you expose all your strategies to everyone and people can build around you. While if you patent much later down the line, it's too late. You already have the technology and you can sell the business. I have relentlessly spoken with all the diaper companies, medicinal pad companies, and chemical players developing super absorbents to ensure that I know exactly what the commercial requirements are for bio-based and biodegradable SAPs. In a startup, as long as your direction and vision is good, you will succeed, even if it takes 3 more years, even if it takes much more capital. But if your vision or focus is wrong, you're set to fail.